Terrifying psychology experiments that worked too well. What if I told you ordinary people were once convinced to hurt others, not because they were evil, but because they were told to? These psychology experiments didn't just test the human mind, they exposed something terrifying about all of us. Welcome to Mind Unlocked. This channel explores the truths hiding inside human behavior. Today, we're uncovering psychology experiments so disturbing they permanently changed how we understand obedience, power, and morality. These experiments worked too well, and that's exactly what makes them terrifying. Experiment 1: Obedience to authority. In this experiment, ordinary people were asked to deliver painful shocks to another person. They hesitated, they questioned it, but when an authority figure said, "Continue," most obeyed. Why? Because the human brain is wired to trust authority, avoid responsibility, shift blame upward. The shock wasn't just physical. It revealed how easily morality collapses under pressure. Experiment 2: The power of roles. Participants were randomly assigned roles of authority and prisoner. Within days, authority became cruel, prisoners became helpless, reality blurred into role-playing. No one was told to be abusive. They became abusive. The experiment had to be stopped early because people forgot it was an experiment at all. Experiment 3: Conformity over truth. Participants were placed in a group and asked a simple question with an obvious answer. But when everyone else answered incorrectly, most participants followed the group, even though they knew it was wrong. The fear of standing alone was stronger than logic. That's how crowds override truth. Experiment 4: De-individuation, losing the self. When people were made anonymous, hidden identities, covered faces, group settings, their behavior changed, empathy decreased, aggression increased. When identity fades, responsibility fades with it. Why these experiments are so scary? Because they proved one thing: the line between good people and bad behavior is thinner than we want to believe. These weren't criminals. They were students, neighbors, ordinary humans, just like us. The final realization: evil doesn't always come from monsters. Sometimes it comes from obedience, silence, following the crowd. The most dangerous force isn't hatred, it's unexamined behavior. If this video made you think differently about human nature, like it, share it, and subscribe to Mind Unlocked. Because once your mind is unlocked, you don't just ask what people do, you ask why.